Hello, Pathway students worldwide. This is Andy, and I'm making a video that's a little bit weird for me because I am not going to be in it. I'm just going to show you how to do it, okay? So today I will be talking about these variables and formulas that are found in section 2.2. I'm in the book, and I'm looking at part A. I'm going to show you how to do some of them that confuse a lot of people. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at evaluate the following when m is 3, n equals 7, t equals 15, and a equals 4. Okay, I want to go ahead and get my mouse up here. I want to write all these in. M equals 3. And this is my first time doing this, and so I'm going to see how it works. If you guys like this better than how I normally do it, comment below in the video that I'm going to post. If you don't, let me know, okay? Because I personally like being in front of the camera more, but you guys just let me know. So those are given formulas, and those can be found inside the problem. But then the first, let's look at 23. Okay, 3 times 28 over a plus m to the second. Okay, so they give us a right here, right? So we're going to get rid of a, and we're going to put in 4 here. Okay, and then they also give us m, so we're going to get rid of m, and let's put in 3 here. Okay, so now we should just be able to copy this down, but without the scribbles, right? 28 over 4 plus 3 to the second, or squared. So now we have to follow the PEMDAS. Remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We don't have any parentheses in here, but we do have exponents. So let's go ahead and do 3 to the power of 2, or 3 squared, which turns out to be 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, and let's write the rest. 28 and 4 and 3 times 28. Okay. Now let's do multiplication or division. Just to save us some hassle, how about we do this 28 divided by 4 first? Okay, so that would give us 7 times 3 plus 9. Now we'll do the multiplication, which is 3 times 7, which is 21, and add 9. And that will get us simple addition, right? And we'll get us 30 as our final answer. Okay, looking up in the back of the book, that does check out, so we're all good. I think a lot of students complicate this. It's nothing more than just plugging in numbers and then chugging it along, you know. Don't let fractions scare you either. If you've seen any of my other videos, I'm not afraid of fractions, so neither should you guys be. But other than that, they're good. It's a good practice. Okay. Let's look at something else real fast in this video. We can clear this. Like I said, this is my first time of doing anything like this. And that. Get rid of all this stuff. Okay, so now let's go on to the next one that gives a lot of people trouble. The one that I'm talking about is the triangles. Okay, remember that the book teaches you that when you do a triangle, all the angles. This is how we draw the angles. All the angles have to equal 180 degrees. Okay, so all of your formulas for this one will be like, let's take 32 for example. 32. Okay. Okay, it would be A plus, and then B says it's 24 degrees, plus C, which it says is 48 degrees, equals 180. Okay, so let's just add these two together. Oh, I don't know where my mouse is. Random duties. Okay, when we add these two together, we're going to get 72 equals 180, and just write the rest of the degrees out, and a plus 72. And then we can just subtract 72 from both sides. 2. and I'm going to use a calculator. Actually, I'm not. I can just do A equals 108 degrees. So I'll put 2 circles. Ignore that circle. Okay, so that is the answer, and it's nothing more than just doing some simple addition, but now knowing the reason why, knowing the reason why you did addition, this angle plus this angle plus this angle equals 180. Another thing students are tempted to say is like, why do we have to do that? Well, it's just because people have come before us to do math and find out certain rules, and now we're just going to follow those rules to get the same equations, to get the same answers that they do. Okay, so it's not like we're doing any groundbreaking math, earth-shaking math. We're just going to be doing what they did before us and following along. Okay, one more problem. You're probably like, I'm sick of hearing this guy's voice. Well, I am too, so don't worry, I'll get off. But the last one is for the temperature conversion. Okay, temperature conversion scares a lot of people, which I think is not necessary. Don't let it scare you. So the formula for temperature conversion is C equals 5 over 9 parentheses the degrees that would be in Fahrenheit minus 32 in close parentheses. So let's say let's take number 38. 38, right? Okay, number 38. So it says that F in 38 is actually negative 23 degrees. 23 degrees, right? So let's subtract 32 degrees from 23 degrees, okay? And that should get us negative 55 degrees, okay? Super cold, super cold. I've never been that cold. 5 divided by 9. Since it's like right outside the parentheses, we're going to multiply. And we'll just put this over 1 for simplicity's sake. And 5 times negative 55 would be, I think it's 275, but I'm going to use my calculator. Yep, 275. Never second guess your mental math. Actually, always second guess, especially if you're me. Always second guess your mental math. And then put it over. 9 times 1 is just 9. Okay, and then just to find out that answer, we'll just do negative 275 divided by 9, and we should get 30.5555556. So we'll just round up, and we'll just say that equals negative 30 point, and we'll just round it up, so negative 30.6. If you need help rounding, remember I have a video on that too. So that is how much it would be in Celsius degrees. So we'll go look at the back of the book to see if we're right, and it looks like we are. So don't let those ones scare you. Don't let them push you around. You know they're more scared of you than you are of them. So good luck on your homework, and until our next video, I will see you later.